Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all our nurses and live audiences right here, right now. Welcome to Town Kids page. I am Rachel Ohastro and nagkita-kita na naman po tayong muli no, for another interview with now our guest nurse, Miss Mary Gladys Doaban. Hello ma'am, good morning po.
Hello, good morning to Miss Rachel, and good morning to everyone watching.
Ma'am, can you tell us a little bit about yourself, ma'am, and why you joined, when did you start joining Town Kids?
Yes. So I graduated nursing 2010, and I passed on the same year. And I had about 2 years of bedside experience, but that was more than 10 years ago, na po. And then for the last 7 to 8 years, I focused mostly on working from home because as a mom, I wanted to focus also on raising my kids at the same time. And then I came across Down Kids. That was in the year 2022. I just saw one of the ads, I think sa Facebook pa yon, na nakita ko. And then, of course, at first, I was skeptical if this was real, na may agency na tumatanggap ng ganito, ng walang masyadong experience or no experience at all. So, yun, I took my risk, and then I joined the I think one of the orientation back then. That was COVID period pa yun ha, that I joined the orientation period. And then ayun, I was amazed with everything the town has to offer and the opportunity itself. So, yun yung start ng journey ko. That was 2022 pa yun.
Mm. 2022 ma'am, may I know po nung nag-join ka ng Town Kids, was it retrogression at the time?
During that time, hindi pa. Nung, I mean, during that time when I learned about Town Kids, there was hindi pa yun retrogression, current pa yung PD na yun. And so, wala pa akong NCLEX at that time.
Hmm,
That's why, yes, that's why when I heard about it, I took a big risk in taking the NCLEX exam. So, yun yung parang nag-start ng process talaga yung narinig ko yung Town Kids na ganito yung ino-offer. So, um, that was my sign to really continue and pursue this dream that I've had for years, to be here in America. So, um, after passing the NCLEX exam, I reached out to Town Kids again, and then sinasabi ko na napasa ko na yung exam. And then they offered me the contract. So during the beginning of the process, the PD was still current.
hmm,
But then naabutan ko in the middle of the process na yung retrogression.
hmm,
But then I did not lose hope kasi Town Kids was there all along. Um, Town Kids did not abandon me during the entire process. In fact, um, everyone from Town Kids reach out to me, and I'm sure they did to every applicant. Even during the retrogression process, kahit wala pa yung mga updates ng mga from embassy or anything at all, nagre-reach out pa rin ang town sa akin. So that was their way of saying that we're still here, we still want to continue with your application. So yun.
And when you were exploring agencies back then ma'am, siyempre wala pa tayong NCLEX ma'am 'no, and I am curious ma'am, what made you took NCLEX? What made you want to pursue NCLEX at that time?
Well, let's just say na it started with a dream talaga, a vision na back then it was like growing up. It has always been like my dream to raise my family here talaga sa America. And then my husband and I both share the same dream. So um that's when I took a risk to take the NCLEX exam. Actually, I was 5 months pregnant when I took the NCLEX exam.
Hmm,
And the preparation, it was really a lot. Kasi yun, buntis ako nung nag-review, may trabaho pa ako, may toddler pa ako at that time. It was, but then it was overwhelming, the whole process. But then it was really worth everything. It was worth it talaga. Kasi, yun, napasa ko, and then I was given like the opportunity by town. So, worth it naman.
Grabe pala yung dedication mo ma'am 'no, nung that time. Imagine
Yes, po.
juggling So many things at the
Juggling
same time
everything.
and yet still pursuing. Pero at that time, ma'am, I know no na syempre you are also considering other companies, di ba, ma'am, other agencies. Syempre tumitingin-tingin din po kayo na ma'am. So with this question, ma'am, what were the most important factors that you were looking for at that time, ma'am? And why did you choose Town Kids sa lahat po ng choices?
So when I was looking for pathways to come here to the United States, I was looking for um, yung factors na number one, sa state na yon, do I have family or friends? Kasi I know it would be hard to adjust to a new place na walang pamilya, walang friends, wala kang kakilala. So yun yung kinoconsider ko, number one. Number two, will this agency accept me despite my years, my yung gap ng experience ko? And then number three, will this agency support me all the way through hanggang sa makarating ako ng US? And so I chose Town Kids ultimately because Town Kids offered me all of it. Number one, Town Kids is in New Jersey. I have family here in New Jersey, which is really good. My friends din kami dito. Number two, Town Kids accepted me despite having 10 plus years of I mean 10 plus years of gap sa huling bedside experience ko. And number three, Town Kids supported me from day one until nakarating ako dito sa Amerika. So, yun, hindi ako pinabayaan kahit sa, yung parang spoon feed na talaga ng Town Kids sa akin, yung lahat ng mga gagawin ko, step by step, tinuturo nila sa akin, step by step, ito yung gagawin mo, na you have to comply with all of these requirements, and then may binibigyan pa ako ng mga step by step na process kung anong gagawin ko all the way through hanggang sa medical, hanggang sa visa interview, lahat spoon feed na ng Town Feeds, which is wala akong problema, all the way through wala akong na-encounter na problem. So,
And how are
yes.
you now, ma'am? Kamusta ka naman po ngayon? With everything that happened, ma'am, how has this opportunity, ma'am, that Town Kids gave you impacted your overall personal life and your family din po?
It has impacted me positively talaga, my whole family. This is probably the biggest change so far sa buhay ko, sa buhay ng pamilya ko, especially sa pamilya na naiwan ko sa Philippines, my mom and my siblings. And also, this is a great opportunity, not just for me, but also for my kids. I have three kids, and this is really great for them na nadala ko sila dito sa America because I know that my future talaga sila dito. And malaki yung changes sa buhay namin since coming here, and in a positive way talaga.
Ma'am, I'm curious lang 'no, follow-up question lang po. Kasi you mentioned, ma'am, you have your 3 kids na nandiya-diyan na po with you. And of
Yeah.
course, ma'am, there are also a lot of Filipino nurses, ma'am, na gustong magdala din po ng dependents 'no, but somehow hesitant, "Ay, bata pa yung anak ko, ganito, ganyan, ayoko pa munang dalhin." May I know, ma'am, on your end, ano po yung, things or experiences, ma'am, na sa mga bata naman po or regarding your dependents, how are they now po?
They are adjusting really well dito sa America. And for those na hesitant po na magdala ng mga kids nila, I understand that feeling po, especially if you have younger ones. Mahirap dito sa Amerika kasi unlike in the Philippines, we have a lot of relatives whom we can reach out na, "Puwede po bang bantayan 'to?" Yun. "Puwede pong diyan muna yung mga anak namin 'pag may lakad," gano'n. Dito kasi tayo-tayo lang. Wala tayong, wala tayong ma-reach out na makapag-babysit sa mga anak, gano'n. So, I understand the hesitation, but it's you can like I said, you can always work things out. At first, really, I was hesitant. How are we going to deal with everything once we come here? Kasi paano pag mag-work na yung husband ko? Paano na yung schedule namin? How about the kids? Who's gonna look out for the kids? But eventually, we were able to work things out. Ma, I mean, the worries, they're all valid. The worries, the hesitation, they're all valid. But eventually, you're gonna work things out. Just have to think that it's gonna be worth it it's gonna be worth it when you come here because you can offer a lot of opportunities for your kids here in this
Mm.
country.
So parang in a way ma'am, okey din po pala 'no na kahit magdala ka ng toddlers, 'yan, ilan man ang kids mo, 2, 3, 4, puwede at kaya po siya 'no, kaya sila
Kayang-kaya.
idalhin sa
Yes po.
USA. Aside from this ma'am, may I know what do you think are the biggest misconceptions pa po, Filipino nurses have about working in the US?
Um, I think po na some Filipinos would think na working here in the US is like a walk in the park. Parang easy lang na work ka, then you're earning a lot, ganon. But there are some things that people don't see. Um, like you are battling a lot of challenges. You have to battle through the adjustment period, through the difference in culture. You also have to battle through yung may iba yung may loneliness na ganon, yung na naho-homesick sila, especially if they have close ties with their family in the Philippines. So you have to go through that, but eventually ma-overcome din yun eh. Kasi yung pagdating namin dito sa US, yung adjustment period talaga, especially with the weather at first, because we came here, fall season yun, so malamig talaga. And there were so many adjustments that we need to go through. Pero yun na nga, yung simula lang talaga yung pinakamahirap. And then the longer that you are here, um, yung sa work mo especially is you will learn your work. It will become a routine eventually, and that hindi ka na mahihirapan in the long run. So yun lang, yung open-minded ka always, and then you have to adjust sa working environment mo.
And ikaw po ma'am, do you have any personal experience ma'am or mga conflicts or mga challenges na na-overcome ma'am kay Town Kids or in the US?
Sa work, maraming challenges. It's the one-on-one care po is ano, challenging in itself kasi ikaw lang mag-isa, wala walang ibang nurses na mapag-ano mo. Pero kahit walang ibang nurses diyan physically, the other nurses and the case managers from Town Kids are all very supportive. They're just like, pwede mo silang tawagan anytime or you can contact them sa chat na if you have any questions, if you have any problems, they are very much willing to help. And also sa families ng patient ko, they are very accommodating and they like, parang pamilya ko na rin sila. Yun. So, yung mga whatever problems I had at first, na-overcome ko na din eventually.
And if in any case ma'am, I know marami pong nanonood ngayon ma'am 'no, right at this moment na mga nurses who are inspired or somehow nagpaplano na, "Ay gusto kong mag-US." Ma'am, what tips would you tell them po?
Go for it. As simple as that. um, it's not gonna be easy though, kasi marami kang mga pagdaanan, and the application itself for NCLEX, the preparation, it's a lot to take in. Um, but you just have to focus on the goal. Yun lang talaga. Kung what made you start this journey at first. So ano yung end goal mo? Yung end goal usually sa lahat is makapunta dito sa Amerika, makapagtrabaho as a nurse. And the preparation to become a nurse in the US is not gonna be easy. I tell you that. So it so ano, just continue to go for it. You will face many challenges along the way. Pero um it's gonna be worth it. Yun lang. Worth it talaga.
Do you have a message ma'am to tell to those nurses na hesitant naman na mag-take ng NCLEX?
Oh, ano lang, have faith. Have faith in yourself, and of course, pray. Yun talaga yung isa sa mga naging ano ko, naging weapons ko, yung prayer na ino-offer ko talaga kay Lord. Etong lahat, yung for those na mga Catholics of course na sinabi ko sa sarili ko yung nag-take ako ng NCLEX na, "If I fail this, this is not for me. If I do
Mm.
pass this is God's way of saying that, um, I should continue my dreams." So yun, yung napasa ako, yun yung sinabi ko sa sarili ko, I need to go through this kasi pinapapasa ako ni Lord. So yun, just pray and have faith in yourself din na kaya mo. Sabihin mo sa sarili mo na kaya mo. Kasi if you start with a negative mindset, yun na yung magiging ground mo, throughout the process.
I agree with that, ma'am, 'no. Kumbaga think positive 'no, kaya mo 'yan.
Oo, kayang-kaya,
Yes,
oo.
that's why 'no, sa lahat po ng mga nanonood ngayon 'no, now really is the perfect time for you to take that NCLEX, right, ma'am?
Yes po.
Ma'am,
Yes po, totoo po.
looking back, ma'am, in your journey po, all throughout, from the start 'no, from your recruitment to your deployment, ma'am, to your, transition po in the US, ma'am, what made you feel that Town Kids, ito yung kumpanya that I can trust?
At first, no, before I signed contract with Town, I had to make sure that it is a legit company though. So I did a little bit of research into Town, and then I had a friend who signed with Town years before I did. So yun, tinanong ko siya kung anong naging experience niya from Town, and she shared some positive experience during her application process. So that inspired me po na si Town Kids is maaasahan ko, for me to pursue my dream. And so, after I signed my contract, yun, tuloy-tuloy na. Almost every day I get emails from Town na ito yung update, ito yung magiging gagawin mo next, na ito. So, Town Kids has been supportive talaga from day one sa sa lahat ng process ng application ko. And then, hindi ako pinabayaan talaga.
With this, ma'am, of course, since you have shared your experience, ma'am, may I know po, sa mga para naman 'to sa mga nurses natin, ma'am, watching right now, ma'am. Why do you think should nurses trust Town Kids?
Um, Nurses should trust Town Kids because Town Kids is gonna be a good partner for you in chasing your dream. Um, Hindi ka nag-iisa, hindi mo mafe-feel na nag-iisa ka, sa application mo towards coming here to the US. Kasi they will be with you all the way through talaga. Ah, sasabihan ka nila kung anong gagawin mo next and anong i-expect mo next. So, it's Town Kids can be your good partner.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And of course, you are also a good partner din po, no? Or a good nurse din po of Town Kids as well, syempre. And of course, sa lahat din po ng mga nurses na with you ngayon dyan in New Jersey. Ma'am, actually, we are
Mhm.
going down to the last two questions, ma'am.
Okay.
For our next one, ma'am, what do you think, ma'am, is the biggest blessing that this opportunity gave you or brought to your family?
For me, coming here itself is already a big blessing. Everything else, um, just comes along with it. So, yung pagpunta mismo dito sa Amerika, ito yung isa sa mga biggest blessing namin as a family. And Town Kids was able to offer me that, offer me and my family, this opportunity. So yun, kasi yung iba, it will just come along eh. Mafa-follow na yung ibang opportunities like sa career growth, yung, paghahanap ng settlement dito, yung sa mga kids ko, yung paghahanap ng mga schools nila, everything else will follow, eh. So, Town Kids was able to offer me the opportunity to come here. So, yun yung parang importante na point.
Can you describe, ma'am, one word lang po to describe your Town Kids journey all throughout?
Um, ano, uh, kung one word, I could incredible. Yun lang siguro. An incredible experience. Yun.
Thank you so much. May I know, ma'am, why? Why incredible?
Ano, um, kasi positive yung naging experience ko sa processing it, the process itself na um ano kasi si Town yung magre-reach out sa akin, yung may ano, kahit during the retrogression process na, the retrogression period na yung feeling na mawawalan ka ng hope na na ano ba, ko ba 'to yung dream na 'to, baka maabutan ako ng expiration ng mga ng license ng visa screen, gano'n. Pero si Town mismo yung humanap ng way na mag-reach out sa'yo na I mean, you can still go on with this process even during the retrogression period na ano, sorry, na, na parang it's not the end of the line, parang gano'n. Na yun, yun lang.
Kumbaga, Town Kids Ma'am ultimately supported you all throughout,
Oo,
ma'am,
all
your
throughout po.
journey. I
Yes po.
am glad to hear that from you, ma'am. And of course, thank you na hindi rin po kayo nawalan, ma'am, ng tiwala, of course. And dedikasyon, ma'am, to be working
Yes,
with Town Kids in the US. And congratulations, ma'am, that you are still there in the US, ma'am, na with you. And kompleto po kayo ng family niyo diyan ngayon. And
yes po.
speaking, ma'am, of
Thank you.
family, for my last question, ma'am, do you have any shout out, ma'am, for your friends, family, ma'am, here in the Philippines?
Ano lang, sa family ko na andiyan sa Philippines, to my mom and to my 2 siblings who are still in college right now. So, um, I just ano, nami-miss ko talaga sila, but yun, I'm doing this also not for my own family, but for the family na naiwan ko din sa Philippines. So, this is for them, yun.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And mom, God bless always po to you and your
Thank you po.
family. And then this is it. No, guys. Thank you so much again, Miss Mary Gladys. And I hope to see you again on our next interview, ma'am. Sana umaksep
Thank
ka
you po.
pa ulit. And to all of you guys watching, ayan, we have now heard another good and credible story, by Miss Mary Gladys. And I hope all of us are inspired, are dedicated, no, and motivated to be pursuing, to be taking the NCLEX, and of course, yan, achieving our American dream with Town Kids. Yan. This has been Rachel Ohastro, marketing specialist of Town Kids, with Miss Mary Gladys Duaban, saying a good night, good evening, or good morning, good afternoon to everyone. Lots of love. Bye-bye po.